Are you looking for an effortless way to make money online in 2024? Wondering if there is a way to earn without selling or having a website? Stick around because I've got a strategy that requires just sharing a link. Elevate your finances with WealthWise Insider, wisdom for wealth builders. Hey everyone, this seems like one of the easiest ways to earn money on the internet in 2024. You don't have to sell anything or have a website or followers on social media. Just share the link and I'll show you how. So first, go to a site called shrinkme.io. It's a way to make some quick money online. It won't make you rich, but people are making money with it. ShrinkMe shortens links, and every time someone clicks on your link, you get paid. It's free to join. Once you're signed in, it'll look like this. Click on New Shortened Link to start making money. Before we continue, let me explain the plan a bit more. We're going to share some awesome articles with people for free. We won't be selling anything, but these articles need to be catchy and interesting to a lot of people. So I'll show you where to find these articles. Once we have an article, we'll use its link and create a short link to share with others. You can do this by visiting a website called listverse.com. It's like a blog where people share lists of things like 10 terrifying things people found in their basements or 10 hilariously bizarre small town tourist traps. These articles are attention-grabbing, so people want to read them. On Listverse, you can sort articles by popularity or choose categories. For this example, let's go with the weird stuff category, as people seem to enjoy reading but creepy, mysterious, or just strange things. Clicking on weird stuff shows us a bunch of articles in that category. We're looking for articles with catchy titles because the better the title, the more people will click on it. And that's how we'll make money with this method. Let's check out the first article. The terrifying things people found in their basements. Open it up. We'll download the image and also look for more images we can use. Even though this article has lots of videos, we can still right-click on the image and save picture to our desktop. Then go back to the article, copy its URL, and paste it into ShrinkMe. Click shorten, and that's the link we'll share later. Now that we have our link and article, let's head to Canva. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Once logged in, go to custom size and choose 1080 by 1080 pixels. Upload the image saved earlier and fill the canvas with it. It's a picture of a scary basement. Now copy the headline from the article, go back to Canva, add a heading and paste the headline. Make it bigger and choose a font. Then add a black gradient to make the text stand out more. You can also highlight some text and change colors to make it pop even more. This is what we do in Canva. We take the image from the article, paste the headline on it, and make it look good. Once you're finished, click share, then download PNG to save the image to your computer again. Next, let's get free traffic to find people who want to read the article and click on your special link, so we get paid. The first traffic source I want to show you is Imgur. Go to imgur.com and create a new account. Once logged in, click New Post. Then drag the image we created into the post. Give it a title like "Check out these terrifying things found in people's basements," and in the description say "Read the full article here for free." Now go back to our dashboard, copy the new special link, and paste it into Imgur. After posting on Imgur, click Post to Community. Repeat this process by finding more related images and posting a couple of times daily on Imgur, directing people to the same article. Then repeat the steps with another article. Just change the link because you'll create a new short link at ShrinkMe. Keep posting as much as you can on Imgur. Next, try another traffic source called Gab.com. Sign up for free account by clicking Sign Up. Gab.com combines features of Facebook and Instagram. It looks like Facebook but also has unique Instagram features. On Gab.com, you'll do pretty much the same thing. After setting up your account, create a new post and choose the same image. Then repeat the process of copying the headline and some introductory sentences from the article. Paste these into your post along with a call to action. Click Post when you're done. It's similar to Facebook. Use images and text from the article and make sure to include a call to action inviting people to read the article for free. Keep repeating these steps on Gab.com. Now, you have two traffic sources to direct people to Listverse. Essentially, you're helping Listverse by sending them traffic for free, but you're using your special link from ShrinkMe. When people click on this link, they'll see a couple of ads before reaching Listverse, and that's how we'll make money. Now, I've got another neat trick to share with you if you're interested. Scroll all the way down on Listverse and you'll find a section called Write and Get Paid. Here, you can actually create articles yourself. If you decide to do this and they choose to publish your article, you'll earn $100. So if writing articles is something you enjoy, you might want to give it a shot. Here's a hint. You can use ChatGPT and other AI tools to help you come up with these kinds of quirky articles. Once you've written one, submit it for approval. If they accept it, not only will you get paid $100, but you can also use the same method to drive traffic back to your own article and earn money every time someone clicks on your special link. Of course, you can also use Facebook, Pinterest, and other platforms to share your articles. Just keep repeating these steps and post as frequently as you can each day. Consistency is key when it comes to making money with this method. To effectively market your link and boost your online earnings, consider these strategies. First, leverage the power of social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn by joining groups or discussions related to your content. Share your link in these forums with a compelling message. Additionally, use email marketing to reach a targeted audience by sending out newsletters that include your link and engaging content or exclusive offers. Don't forget the power of video content. Create simple videos explaining the value of your content and embed your link in the video description. Lastly, regularly update your content and repost your link to keep it visible and engaging for new and returning visitors. These methods offer a straightforward approach to earning money online without the need for selling products or having a large online following. By leveraging platforms like ShrinkMe, Listverse, Imgur, and Gab.com, you can drive traffic to engaging content and generate income through clicks on your shared links. Whether it's through sharing captivating articles or even creating your own content, the potential for earning is within reach. Remember, consistency is key, so keep exploring new opportunities and refining your approach. Here's to your success in your online ventures. That wraps it for now. I hope you found this information helpful and learned something new. Did you find these methods helpful for making money online? What other strategies are you interested in exploring? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to WealthWise Insider for more insights on achieving financial prosperity. Until next time, remember, smart wealth, wise future.